Airtime Marketing Philippines Incorporated, in cooperation with the Philippine Movie Press Club, proudly presents the grandest tribute to original Filipino music. This is the 4th PMPC Star Awards for Music.
Musika, isa ito sa napakahalagang bahagi ng buhay nating mga Pilipino. Kasama natin ang musika sa bawat saya, lungkot, tagumpay, problema, at bawat tugtog ng ating mga buhay. Sabi nga ng marami, pag sinabing pagkanta at pagsasayaw o paglikha ng mga obrang musika, iba ang talentong Pilipino. Kaya nga noong 2009, pinabuti ng PMPC na bukod sa pelikula at telebisyon, dapat rin bigyan ng pansin at pagkilala ang ating mga OPM singers at kompositor na patuloy nagbibigay sa atin ng mga magagandang awitin. Isang malaking karangalan na ako ang Pangulo ng PMPC nang may sakatuparan ang first Star Awards for Music, na nagsimula ng isang bagong Star Awards tradition sa pagkilala ng mahuhusay na miyembro ng OPM industry. Sa ika-4 nitong taon, ang PMPC ay masaya sa nakikita nitong muling pagsigla ng original Filipino music. Ito ay isang hudyat na sadyang buhay na buhay muli ang pagtangkilik natin sa OPM. At dahil na rin sa patuloy na pamamayagpag ng talentong Pilipino maging sa ibang bansa, na ipapakita natin sa buong mundo ang tunog Pilipino. Nagpapasalamat kami sa inyong lahat na tumulong at nagbigay suporta sa PMPC upang matupad ang aming panaginip na maging isa sa instrumento upang mabigyang halagang muli ang OPM. Sa lahat ng mga awit at kompositor, album at concert producers, at sa lahat ng mga Pilipinong tumatangkilik sa OPM. Kayo po ang tunay na dahilan sa tagumpay ng Star Awards for Music at ng industriya ng musikang Pilipino. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga nominado at mga mananalo. Mabuhay ang OPM! Welcome to the 4th Star Awards for Music.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jobit, Marcelito, and the Mocha Girls would like to call on stage our first 3 awardees as OPM icons, Lito Camo, Boy Christopher, and Mr. Benny Saturno. To present the award from the PMPC, our past PMPC presidents Ernie Pecho, Veronica Samio, Fernande Guzman, Letty Selly, Romel Gonzalez, Julie Bonifacio, and current PMPC President Roldan Castro.
Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa PMPC dito po sa natatanging alagad ng musika, dahil talaga pong hindi ko akalain na muli ako makakakit para makatanggap ng ganitong award. Kaya sa PMPC, marami pong salamat. Sa lahat po ng tumangkilik ng novelty.
Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you.
Joining their children on stage are 4 of this year's awardees as OPM icons. Concert King and Queen, Martin Rivera and Pops Fernandez. Pop Diva, Miss Cool Ledesma. And Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano. Present the award from the PMPC, our past PMPC presidents Ernie Pecho, Veronica Samio, Fernande Guzman, Letty Selly, Romel Gonzalez, Julie Bonifacio, and current PMPC President Roldan Castro.
starting this? I heard you made me chismis, right? I don't talk that much. Do I talk a lot? Me talk a lot. Me talk a lot. Me talk a lot. Never. Me talk a lot. Never. Thank you so much, Star Awards. I'll start it. First of all, to all children, listen carefully. Watching you tonight are the cream of the crop of the press, and they're here to make or break you. But the most beautiful thing that they do best is if you honor them with your good works, they will honor you right back. Thank you so much. Embrace the press. Honor and respect the press. Thank you so much for this great honor. Very few words to say, which is very rare for me, because I'm sure everyone here wants to say something. All I can say is receiving any kind of recognition at this day and age is one of the most beautiful feelings one can ever share with their children. What more their children share with their parents. Thank you so much. Pops.
Few words ba yun? Okay. Sandali, Regine, mamaya na. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC. Alam niyo po,
ng OPM ngayon, ginagawa ang lahat para tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang buhay at paghinga ng OPM. Pero sa PMPC, taus-puso akong nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat dahil nakita nyo ang lahat ng ginawa namin at nakikita nyo kung anong ginagawa ng aming mga anak at hanggang ngayon, suportado pa rin pati ang mga anak namin sa inyong lahat. So thank you so much for this. At rest assured, we will continue to make good music for the Filipino people who have always supported us wherever they may be in any part of the world. So God bless you all, and to Jesus be all glory forever.
Thank you.
Joining Martin, Pops, Gary, Ku, and Jaja as natatanging alagad ng musika, OPM icons are Ogie Alcacid and Miss Regine Velasquez. To present the award from the PMPC are Romel Gonzalez and PMPC President Roldan Castro.
We love you too. Oh, Han, papasalamat yata tayo. Congratulations to all of you. Palakpakan po natin itong mga ito. I think they deserve a standing ovation. Come on, you guys. Indeed. These guys have been performing most of their lives for all of us to give us great Filipino music. You know, salimpusan lang po kami dito. But you know, just recently online, you may sit down now. Online, I was reading something about OPM, and there was this big topic saying that OPM is dead. And it became a big topic. People were talking about it. People were commenting about it. Alam nyo, dahil sa gabi tulad nito na ginawa ng PMPC Star Awards, it just proves that indeed OPM is not dead. OPM is alive and kicking within the hearts of every Filipino who believe that we are great. And, bakit? Marami ba ako sinasabi? Sorry. And palakpakan nyo din niyo po ang aking asawa. Also, maraming salamat sa Panginoon dahil po siya ang lumikha ng napakagandang musikang naririnig po natin ngayon. PMPC, thank you very much for this. Thank you.
The last award for this evening, the Star Award for Female Recording Artist of the Year, goes to Aiza Sigera. Songs from the Vault, Star Records.
Presenting the award from the PMPC is PMPC President Roldan Castro.
Thank you. Hindi ako sanay. Yun, PIPC, thank you very much. And of course, gusto kong pasalamatan yung mga producers na nakasama ko sa trabaho. Of course, unang-una si Tita Margot, pangalawa Jonathan, kay Mike Villegas, my arrangers, sila Rhea and sila Mike, kasama ko mga musicians. Tapos gusto ko rin magpasalamat of course.